One of the new things that happened during the COVID era is that we've been able to put our dissections online so that you don't have to travel to Boulder, Colorado, where they all take place in the laboratory we work with there, but that you can see them online. But not only that, we've been able to branch out into specialty subjects that are really new and really different and really allow our teachers to shine. One of our best teachers is Julie Hammond from Australia. She has developed this program about the diaphragms. I'm holding up this thing of core that we made out of plastic here in 3D printing, but it shows you down here is the pelvic diaphragm. Here clearly are the two domes of the respiratory diaphragm, and getting those two to match each other and work with each other is really a strong goal of those who want core support and core strength. And unfortunately, there's a lot of very vague ideas running out around this, and I just really urge you to join Julie, to join Todd Garcia at the lab in Boulder, and have an online experience of all the horizontal structures in the body that make up these diaphragms. Obviously the respiratory diaphragm and the pelvic diaphragm, but about the floor of the mouth and the floor of the brain called the tentorium. You'll be able to see a whole lot in 2-3 hour modules that will come right to you through your computer. You should sign up for this. I can say it, I'm not doing it. Julie's doing it.